Shopify just turned on a new AI sales channel on your store. Your products are now showing up inside ChatGPT, Microsoft Copilot, and Google AI, whether you know it or not. The question is, are your products even visible? In this video, I'm going to show you exactly what Agentic Commerce is, how to find it in your Shopify admin, and the 4 things you need to fix right now to generate revenue from it. This is Jack. Let's get into it. Picture this, someone wants running shoes old way. They Google it, click 5 links, compare prices, read reviews, go back, click again. It takes forever. Now they just open ChatGPT and type, I need running shoes for a flat fit, budget $120. ChatGPT finds options, compares them, recommends the best fit right there in the chat. They can complete the purchase inside ChatGPT or click through and buy directly on your store. That's Agentic Commerce. It's already happening. AI-driven orders on Shopify grew 10x in 1 year. These buyers arrives already convinced. AI did the research, you just close the deal. But only if AI knows your product exists. Where can your products actually show up? Right now, Shopify has 3 confirmed channels: ChatGPT, Microsoft Copilot, and Google AI mode. ChatGPT is the biggest one. 900 million people use it every week. Here is something most merchants don't know. This is already on your store. On March 24th, Shopify switched this on by default. For millions of stores. No notification, no opt-in required. If you are in the US, you are live right now. If you are outside the US, it's rolling out. You will get a notification in your admin when it's your turn. But everything we covered today still applies to you. To find it, go to Shopify admin and then sales channels, click Agentic. This is where you see all your Agentic channels, and you will see a toggle at the top, allow Shopify to manage for me. That's on by default, which means you are automatically enrolled in every new AI channel Shopify adds going forward without being asked. Here, you will see sessions and order per channel, real customer queries your products appeared in, and a search bar to test your own queries and see how your products rank. To control individual channels, turn off Allow Shopify to manage for me first, then click each channel individually to manage catalog access and direct checkout separately. Catalog access, whether that AI channel can see and recommend your products at all. Direct checkout, whether customers can buy right inside the AI conversation without visiting your store. We actually recommend turning direct checkout off when customers visit your store instead. You can upsell, offer bundles, show related products, and get them to subscribe. That's where the real value is. So how do you actually show up when someone searches in AI? We have already done this for merchants, and they are seeing revenue coming in from AI channels they didn't even know existed. If you want us to handle it for you, not just the setup, but making sure every channel is optimized and generating sales, the link is in the description. In your Agentic dashboard, Shopify gives you a listing quality indicator for every product. It tells you how complete and competitive your listing is. It checks 4 things: description, how detailed and specific it is, materials, dimensions, use cases, who it is for. And here is a pro tip. In your Agentic dashboard, there is a relevant searches section. It shows real queries people are typing into AI in your category. Use those exact phrases in your product descriptions. That's how you speak the same language as your buyers. Reviews, AI factors in social proof. Low rating or no reviews hurt your chances. Policies, Shopify checks 4 of them: refund, privacy, terms of service, and shipping. Go to settings, policies, make sure you fill all 4 in, and do not auto-generate. Make sure it fulfills the Shopify's requirement. Last but not least, images and variants. AI reads your variant names to match what a customer is looking for. Someone searches for a blue jacket, AI finds your product and sends them to your store. But here's the thing. If the images do not match the variant they clicked on, they lose the sale right there. The AI did its job. Your product data let you down. That's where Nova multiple variant images comes in. It assigns images to each variant so customers always see exactly what they are buying. And if you sell custom products like personalized items, you might need custom variant grouping in catalog mapping. That tells Shopify these are all the same products with different options. If this was helpful, hit like and subscribe. We cover Shopify tips like this every week.